Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your username in Epic Games Launcher. To do this, first we'll need to click on our profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and then select the account. Now this should pop open your web browser. You might also need to log in, and then to change your login display name, you can go for account settings and here select on the edit button. You can enter your new display name right here, accept it, and then click on confirm, and you'll be able to change the name after 2 weeks if you're wondering. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.